Welcome to Forex Tester Online, where trading strategy meets reality. This isn't just another backtesting tool, it's your trading laboratory built for discovery. Move bar by bar through market history, feeling every pivot, trend, and reversal exactly as they happen. No shortcuts, no simplifications, just pure market truth. Want to test a strategy across multiple time frames? Done. Need to jump to specific market events? Instant. Ready to see if your approach truly works? It's all here. Created by traders who've walked in your shoes, FTO delivers what others can't: maximum speed, ultimate precision, and total convenience. All at once. Transform theory into skill as you watch your ideas unfold on real historical charts. Now build muscle memory at the developed trader's intuition, all before risking a single dollar of real capital. Take a few minutes now to explore our quick tour. You'll master the essentials of chart navigation, trade execution, and performance analysis. Your path to trading confidence starts right here.